Hi guys, it's Priscilla from Priscilla's Craft Shop, and today I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to do a magic circle. Now in crochet terminology, that's normally known as the MC. You can start it to do anything that's worked in rounds. It just gives you a cleaner finish and it just looks overall a lot neater than chaining two and working all of those stitches into the first chain. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the yarn, your end of the yarn, right around your hands, as so, right? You can hold it with your thumb, insert your hook in the back side, and pull up. Now, let's say it tells you to do 10 double crochets. You're going to chain 2 and work 10 double crochets right along this line. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your ends and you're going to pull it nice and tight and then join. You can pull it again to make it tighter. And do you see that? It's nice and sealed, nice and tight. This is exactly how I start all my hats. All my patterns start with a magic circle. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to do that if you don't already know. It's seriously a life changer. I've never gone back after I started doing the magic circle. I hope you guys like my video. Give me a like, subscribe if you want to continue learning how to crochet with me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.